In today's fast-paced digital world, effective marketing requires more than just creating catchy advertisements and engaging content. To truly connect with customers and drive unparalleled success, marketers must embrace social listening. This powerful tool allows businesses to gain valuable insights into their target audience, understand their needs and preferences, and adapt their strategies accordingly. In this article, we will explore why every marketer should adopt social listening as a crucial component of their marketing strategy. Understanding your audience on a deeper level. One of the key reasons why social listening is essential for marketers is that it provides an opportunity to understand their audience on a deeper level. By monitoring conversations happening across various social media platforms, marketers can gain valuable insights into the thoughts, opinions, and preferences of their target market. Social listening enables marketers to identify trends in consumer behavior and sentiment towards specific products or brands. For example, by analyzing online discussions about a particular product feature or service offering, marketers can uncover pain points or areas where improvements are needed. By understanding these nuances in customer sentiment through social listening tools like BrandWatch or Hootsuite Insights, marketers can tailor their messaging and offerings accordingly. This ensures that they are providing exactly what their customers want, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Identifying influencers and advocates. Another significant benefit of embracing social listening is the ability to identify influencers within your industry who can amplify your brand message. These influencers have built large followings on social media platforms such as Instagram or YouTube due to their expertise in specific niches. By using advanced analytics tools offered by platforms like BuzzSumo or Mention, you can track mentions of your brand across different channels and discover influential individuals who are already talking about your products or services. Collaborating with these influencers not only increases brand visibility but also helps establish credibility among potential customers who trust these influencers' recommendations. Furthermore, through active social listening, marketers can identify brand advocates, passionate customers who consistently promote and defend your brand. These individuals can become powerful allies in spreading positive word of mouth and generating organic growth for your business. Staying ahead of the competition. In today's hyper-competitive market, it is crucial for marketers to stay ahead of their competitors. Social listening provides a competitive advantage by allowing businesses to monitor their competitors' activities, campaigns, and customer feedback. By tracking conversations surrounding your competitors on social media platforms, you can gain valuable insights into what strategies are working well for them and learn from their successes. Additionally, social listening enables you to identify any weaknesses or gaps in their offerings that you can capitalize on. For example, if customers are expressing dissatisfaction with a particular aspect of a competitor's product or service through online discussions, you can leverage this information to enhance your own offerings and provide a better alternative. Measuring campaign effectiveness. Another compelling reason why every marketer should embrace social listening is its ability to measure campaign effectiveness accurately. Traditional marketing methods often rely on post-campaign surveys or focus groups which may not provide real-time data or comprehensive insights. Social listening allows marketers to track the performance of their campaigns in real time by monitoring mentions, sentiment analysis, engagement levels, and reach across various social media platforms. This immediate feedback enables marketers to make data-driven decisions quickly and optimize their strategies accordingly. Additionally, by analyzing the sentiments expressed by customers towards specific campaigns or advertisements using sentiment analysis tools like Lexalytics, marketers can gauge how well they resonate with their target audience, allowing them to fine-tune future messaging for maximum impact. In conclusion, embracing social listening is no longer an option but a necessity for every marketer seeking unparalleled success in today's digital landscape. By understanding your audience on a deeper level through monitoring conversations across various social media channels, identifying influencers and advocates who amplify your brand message, staying ahead of the competition through competitor analysis, and accurately measuring campaign effectiveness in real time, marketers can gain a competitive edge and drive exceptional results. So, don't miss out on the immense opportunities that social listening presents. Incorporate it into your marketing strategy today and unlock the potential for unparalleled success.